think it really matters whether you've got somebody who's slightly a bit more mature, been around the block, or somebody who's quite young, innovative, free spirit, and just really broad in their thinking. What are you seeing with some of the conversations that you have with investors? Where do you see it being more successful?
Tough to say, really. I think if you're a young founder, you need to surround yourself with an advisory board of serious experience, right? You have to give yourself some sort of credibility in the space. Otherwise, you're going to have very difficult conversations. Similarly, if you're a more mature entrepreneur, you can be quite scarred. You can be a pretty tough ride, and you don't have that light in your eyes when you're really dreaming and going big. You're much more reserved about your projections and your expectations, and
Yeah.
it's a different vibe. Some investors prefer one or the other. I don't think there's necessarily a what's right and what's wrong. But if you are a young entrepreneur, you need to get yourself high-end people in your sector to validate you and your concept by being in advisory in one form or another. That should be a priority for you.
So, if you enjoy this content, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We'll be creating weekly business boardroom conversations just like this.